Modifications of stem. Change in form to perform functions other than normal is called modifications. On the basis of habitat, stem can be modified into three categories: underground modification of stem, subaerial modification of stem, aerial modification of stem. Underground modifications of stem. The underground stems, by being situated below the surface of the soil, protect themselves against unfavorable conditions of weather and the attack of animals, and serve as storehouses for reserve food and in vegetative propagation. Their stem nature can be distinguished by the presence of nodes and internodes, scale leaves at the nodes, axillary buds in the axils of scale leaves, and a terminal bud. The underground stems are of four types, namely rhizome, tuber, bulb, and corm. Rhizome. A rhizome is a thick horizontally growing stem which usually stores food material. It has nodes and internodes, scale leaves, axillary buds, adventitious roots, and a terminal bud. Scale leaves enclosing the axillary buds are seen arising from the nodal points of the stem. Roots develop from the lower surface of the rhizome. Example: ginger, turmeric. Tuber. Tuber is the swollen end of an underground branch which arises from the axil of a lower leaf, which grows horizontally outwards in the soil. Each tuber is irregular in shape due to the deposition of food materials, starch. On the surface of each tuber, many leaf scars are seen. These leaf scars are the impressions of fallen scale leaves. Each such leaf scar encloses an axillary bud. A leaf scar with an axillary bud is called an eye. These eyes of potato are capable of producing new plants by vegetative propagation. Example: potato. Bulb. In bulb, the stem is reduced and shown by a short disc. The lower surface of the stem produces many adventitious roots. Examples: onion, garlics. In bulbs of onion, garlic, etc., the inner leaves are fleshy, while the outer ones are dry. This is called as tunicated bulb, since the concentric leaf bases form a complete covering or tunic. The apical bud of the bulb produces shoot. Corm. A corm is a greatly swollen underground basal portion of an erect stem. The swelling is due to the storage of reserve food material. It bears scale leaves and axillary buds. At the end of the growing season, the aerial parts die. In favorable conditions, usually one axillary bud near the apex develops into a new shoot utilizing the food reserve material in the old corm. The new plant produces a new corm at its base. The earlier corm shrivels off. Examples: colocasia, amorphophallus.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.